Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you 3 fixes for when your iPhone emails are not working. One of the main reasons that emails don't work on the iPhone is down to the internet you're using. So what you can do to check your internet is swipe down from the top right hand corner and you'll see these 4 boxes at the top. And as you can see here at the top, this green one, this is your mobile data, and this one here on the bottom left hand corner is your Wi-Fi. As you can see, I'm currently connected to my Wi-Fi, and if this had a low bars, this could be a reason why your emails are not being sent. So what you could do is disconnect it and connect to your cellular data. So once you've covered that and you know that your internet is all secure, the next thing you want to do is check that your email password has not changed. If this is the case, your emails will not send. So let's head over to our iPhone settings to sort this out. Once you're in the main iPhone settings, scroll all the way down until you get to the Mail app and click into that. And within the Mail app, you'll see the Accounts section here, and you want to tap into that. Now in this page, you'll see all your emails that are associated with your iPhone. And what you want to do is you want to click into them and make sure the email address is correct. If the email is correct, what you can do is you can actually delete the email address from this page here and then select Add Account. You can choose which email address you need to use from the associated list here, or you can choose Other if you have an independent email provider. So if you did find that your email password was correct, this is still worth carrying out, as what can happen, it can just give everything a refresh and your emails can just start working again. It's just like restarting your computer. Now the third thing you can try, if all this fails, is come back into the main settings, then go to the General. Now in the iPhone General page, you want the iPhone storage and you want to click into that. Once everything's loaded in the iPhone storage, you want to come down to the Mail application. Now you want to tab into the Mail app and then you want to offload app in the Mail app section. And then when the pop-up comes up, press offload. Now it's offloaded, click reinstall app. And what this does, this gives the Mail app a complete refresh and clears all the cache. So that's 3 practical solutions to fixing the Mail app on your iPhone when emails are not being sent. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.